Here's a Panasonic WhisperComfort 60. It's a spot energy recovery ventilator. So I thought this was like a bath fan, but this is more of like a fresh air system. So here's a closer look. This thing's pretty big. It's about more than a foot wide and maybe 2 feet. So you got the exhaust air and the outside. This is where the air comes in, air comes out. You got a little gauge where to set it for drywall. So here's the filter. There's another filter right here. So it's got a reset button, so I think it's like 90 days and then it turns off, and then you have to basically clean the filter and press the reset button. And then you got the CFM control and then the air supply, how much, and then there's a for low and high speed. You got the power button right there. It's all foam inside. There's the wiring box. Comes with the metal brackets, 2 of those, and 2 that are already attached for mounting between studs. This thing could be hanged on the wall, but these have to face down. So here's the plastic cover. Got these little spring things. And for a switch